An la Bianaiti by Salty Sherlock. Agustia Bianaiti an Siaktula Agus Pistified Margial Ersin Abi se Quayewet si as atuid Obrego there a Krutaig Agus Arini Dia Elohim S.A. Elohim an Vocal Yabrak do Dia Way Barek Agus Bianaiti Bifocal Yabrak ta Way Barek Yom Hasibi is an Siaktula in word Yabrais Yom Hasibi Waikades Agus is a Waikades and Ti Abar Abi San Pokali Brais Shabbat Taan Tuwid Ele Bifokal Yabrak Shabbat Milakto is a an Ubayr Ebo Bifokal Yabrais Milakto Bara Krotayod Bifokal Yabrais e Bara Laasot is Ilaasot Bifokal Yabrais Way Barek Elohim Agustia Bianaiti et Yom Hasibi an Siaktula Way Kades Oto Agus Bistified Kibo Shabbat Mikal Milakto Margial Sin Abi se Quayet Sias Atuid Obrigo Aser para Elohim la Asot Leir a Krutaig Agus Arine Dia Way Barek Elohim et Yom Hasibi Way Kades Oto Kibo Shabbat Mikal Milakto Aser bara Elohim la Asot Way Barek Elohim et Yom Hasibi Way Kades Oto Kibo Shabbat Mikal Milakto Aser bara Elohim la Asot Binaig Elohim an Siaktula Junbit Inala Skiti Duin is an Binaig Bianak na go Bipuila Amhain again to near Eginotu Ma oy brimid siak la ansin Dianaimid Mios Used Asar Jikorp Ereyon Muid Strus Agus Yaska Lebas Nior Bianaig Elohim an Chiadla go Diti ay an Siola ak tuir sina sela tun Ubair Krua a Dianam le Maria Tail Ma arait mid anti am skiti on Siaktula go diti an Chiadla Chail mid an Bianak an Siaktula Agustesti inalui ar an Gikiadla agdiultu la skiti Elohim Agustia Bianaiti an Siaktula Agus Bistified Margial Ersin Abi se Quayewet CS Atuid Obrego Leira Krutaig Agust Arinidia Way Barek Elohim et Yom Hasibi Way Kades Oto Kibo Shabbat Mikal Milakto Aser bara Elohim la Asot Way Barek Elohim et Yom Hasibi Way Kades Oto Kibo Shabbat Mikal Milakto Aser bara Elohim la Asot Goraib Mait Agat as Briatnu Bianaig Elohim tu
In the heart of Uruguay, where city sounds blend with the rustle of palm trees, Seventh-day Adventist pastor Nestor carries more than just a message. He carries a melody. From a young age, Nestor was surrounded by music. Growing up in a musical family, music became his second language. He learned to sing and play a variety of instruments, but something deeper stirred within him as he grew.
I developed a love for Christian music and praise of God.
That love would become a lifelong calling. While he answered God's call to pastoral ministry, he never left music behind. Instead, he brought it with him into churches, homes, and hearts. Over time, Nestor discovered a new layer to his gift. music production.
Encontré una de mis pasiones que es
I found one of my passions, which is music production. And by God's blessing, we have been able to work with different musicians here in Uruguay who are starting their ministries.
ministerios.
In Uruguay, the path to producing music is steep. Equipment is costly, studio time is limited, and resources are scarce. But instead of letting those challenges stop him, Nestor stepped in to fill the gap.
Un lugar muy difícil para producir, ya que
It's very difficult to produce here,
de esta
as the
manera,
costs are high.
lo que hacemos es regalarles a los
What we do is give them their first musical productions as gifts,
producciones musicales
so they can make themselves known and tell others about God's love through their songs.
poder contarles a otros del amor de Dios a través de las canciones.
He partners with artists and friends who are also committed to using their talents for something greater. Together, they create music that uplifts, encourages, and tells stories of faith.
Con estas producciones lo que
Our goal is to worship God and exalt His name, but also for other people to know and learn how much He loves them and wants their salvation.
Every note, every lyric is a testimony. And in a world that often feels loud and uncertain, Nestor's gentle songs offer something steady, an invitation to know a loving God.
Es una forma
It is a very beautiful way of taking God's message to other people.
de Dios a otros.
Pastor Nestor's story reminds us that ministry isn't confined to sermons or sanctuaries. Sometimes it sounds like a song. In Uruguay, music has become mission, and Pastor Nestor is letting that message ring out. How can you use your gifts and talents for mission?